Hey, beautiful souls. Welcome back to Starry Futures, your cosmic guide to understanding the universe's energy shifts. I'm Karen, and today we're diving into a powerful and transformative topic, the fifth dimension, the metamorphosis of humanity, and what it means as Pluto enters Aquarius on November 19th, 2024. If you've been feeling like something big is on the horizon, you're not alone. This is a monumental time, and we're going to break it all down, what this shift means, how to prepare, and how you can be a beacon of light during this incredible time. Let's get started. A profound shift is about to unfold, a cosmic awakening that will propel humanity into a new era of consciousness. As Pluto, the planet of transformation, enters Aquarius, we stand on the precipice of a remarkable evolutionary leap. It's a vibrational upgrade, an invitation to embrace the boundless possibilities of the fifth dimension. Imagine a reality where limitations dissolve and the impossible becomes possible. This is the promise of the fifth dimension, a state of being where love, unity, and expanded consciousness reign supreme. To fully grasp the magnitude of this shift, let's take a moment to examine the reality we're leaving behind, the third dimension. Here, we experience life through the lens of linear time, bound by the illusion of separation and the constraints of a predominantly material world. In this dimension, duality reigns supreme. We perceive ourselves as separate from one another and from the divine source that connects us all. Our thoughts and beliefs shape our reality, often leading to feelings of limitation, fear, and lack. Yet, even amidst the challenges, the third dimension has served as a vital training ground, a crucible for soul growth and the development of our individual strengths. Now, we are being called to integrate the lessons learned and ascend to a higher level of awareness. In contrast to the density of the third dimension, the fifth dimension vibrates at a much higher frequency, characterized by love, harmony, and interconnectedness. Here, we awaken to the realization that we are not separate individuals, but rather interconnected threads in the tapestry of creation. Time as we know it ceases to exist. We access a state of being where past, present, and future converge into the eternal now. Manifestation becomes effortless as we align our thoughts and emotions with the frequency of love, drawing to us our heart's desires with ease and grace. In this higher realm, we recognize that we are creators of our reality, empowered to shape our experiences with the power of our thoughts, beliefs, and emotions. The fifth dimension invites us to step into our full potential, embracing our innate divinity and co-creating a world that reflects our highest aspirations. Pluto, the celestial harbinger of transformation, plays a pivotal role in this evolutionary leap. As it enters Aquarius, the sign of innovation, technology, and collective consciousness, Pluto acts as a cosmic catalyst, dismantling outdated structures and paving the way for a more equitable and enlightened society. Pluto's energy is not for the faint of heart. It's a force that compels us to confront our shadow selves, to release limiting beliefs, and to embrace radical change. But within this process of dismantling and rebuilding lies immense potential for growth, healing, and liberation. As Pluto transits through Aquarius, we can expect to witness significant shifts in areas such as technology, social structures, and our understanding of consciousness itself. This is a time for embracing the unknown, for questioning long-held assumptions, and for daring to dream of a future that transcends the limitations of our current reality. Aquarius awakened, embracing innovation and unity. Aquarius, the sign of the water bearer, embodies the principles of innovation, humanitarianism, and collective consciousness. It's a sign that values freedom, originality, and the pursuit of knowledge for the betterment of humanity. As Pluto aligns with Aquarius's energy, we can anticipate a surge in technological advancements that have the potential to revolutionize the way we live, work, and connect with one another. This is a time for groundbreaking discoveries, for embracing new paradigms, and for harnessing the power of technology to create a more sustainable and equitable world for all. More importantly, Pluto in Aquarius encourages us to recognize our interconnectedness and to work together for the collective good. This is a time for breaking down barriers, for celebrating our differences, and for uniting as a global community to address the challenges facing our planet and its inhabitants. Riding the waves of change, personal and global transformations. The shift into the fifth dimension will bring about profound transformations on both a personal and global scale. On a personal level, we may experience an acceleration in our spiritual growth, heightened intuition, and a deeper connection to our soul's purpose. We may find ourselves questioning long-held beliefs, releasing old patterns and relationships that no longer serve us, and embracing new ways of being that align with our evolving consciousness. This is a time for self-discovery, for embracing authenticity, and for stepping into our power as conscious creators of our reality. On a global level, we can anticipate shifts in power dynamics, a dismantling of outdated systems, and a rise in collective consciousness. This is a time for revolutionizing our approach to governance, economics, and social justice, creating a world that prioritizes the well-being of all beings and the planet we call home. Navigating the shift. Practical steps for embracing the fifth dimension. While the prospect of such monumental change may seem daunting, there are practical steps we can take to navigate this shift with grace and ease. Embrace change. The only constant is change. Resisting it only creates suffering. Approach the unknown with curiosity and an open mind, trusting that the universe is unfolding perfectly. Connect with like-minded souls. Surround yourself with a supportive community. Seek out individuals who inspire you to grow and who share your vision for a brighter future. Spread love and light. The world needs your light. Practice compassion, kindness, and forgiveness. Be a beacon of hope, reminding others that love always prevails. Beacons of light, illuminating the path forward. As we journey together into this new era, let us remember that we are not alone. Each one of us carries within us the spark of the divine, a light that has the power to illuminate even the darkest of times. Embrace your role as a beacon of light, radiating love, compassion, and wisdom into the world. By embodying the principles of the fifth dimension in our thoughts, words, and actions, we become the change we wish to see in the world, creating a ripple effect that uplifts and inspires all those around us. This is a time for courage, for unity, and for unwavering faith in the inherent goodness of humanity. Let us step boldly into the unknown, knowing that together we have the power to create a future that is beyond our wildest dreams. A time for courage, unity, and love. The arrival of Pluto in Aquarius marks a pivotal turning point in human history. It is an invitation to transcend the limitations of the past and embrace a future brimming with potential. As we navigate the shifts and transformations that lie ahead, let us remember the power of love, unity, and unwavering faith in our ability to create a world that reflects our highest aspirations. We are not mere spectators in this cosmic dance. We are active participants, co-creators of a reality that is yet to be fully realized. The time for complacency is over. It is time to rise, to shine our light brightly, and to embrace the extraordinary possibilities that await us in the fifth dimension. So, beautiful souls, are you ready for this incredible shift? November 19th, 2024 is just the beginning of a powerful new chapter for humanity. As Pluto enters Aquarius, we have the chance to let go of old patterns, embrace a higher consciousness, and step into a future that's more aligned with love, compassion, and unity. Thank you so much for joining me on this journey. If you're excited about what's to come, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and share it with anyone who needs a little cosmic inspiration. And let me know in the comments, how are you preparing for this shift? I'd love to hear your thoughts. Until next time, keep shining and remember, you're a part of this beautiful cosmic dance. See you in the next video.